Hello everyone, my name is Darna from Asterlink Agency and I'm with Popo Live. On this video, I'm gonna show you how to withdraw points using GCash. Please follow the instructions on this video.
Open your Popo app and go to your profile. Click nyo lang ang points. Then makikita nyo dyan ang available points na pwede nyong withdrawin. Click Withdraw Now. Kung ang method na nag-appear ay hindi GCash, need natin itong palitan. Click nyo lang ang method. Tapos i-click nyo lang ang GCash, View or Bind. Kailangan yung fill up pan ang mga details na hinihingi bago nyo ito isubmit. After nyo ito masubmit, ang method na lalabas ay GCash na. Pwede na kayong mag-withdraw. Just click Withdraw Now. Ilagay nyo lang kung magkano ang gusto nyong withdrawin depende sa available amount of withdrawal. After ma-success ang withdraw, maghintay lang tayo ng message sa arrival notice ng Popo. Once na nag-message, click nyo lang ang details para makita nyo ang GCash receipt as proof of payment. Then click Received.
So ganun lang po kadali ang pag-withdraw sa Popo using GCash. Please subscribe Popo Live official YouTube channel. Thank you!